If you've never heard of this tool, it's DeepFaceLive, one of the first real-time AI face swap applications ever created. It can swap faces in images, videos, and even live webcam or video calls. Although it hasn't received major updates in years, it still ranks among the best face swap tools thanks to its impressive quality and low latency performance. DeepFaceLive is much more than a basic face swapper. You can use it for live streaming virtual avatars similar to Avatarify, webcam face swapping like RoopCam, and it also supports DFM models for even more realistic and natural-looking results. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install DeepFaceLive from start to finish, step by step, so you can get it running quickly without dealing with confusing errors or complicated setup. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the installation process. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. Now let's get started and install DeepFaceLive. Click on GitHub link in my description to go to main page of DeepFaceLive. You can read its documentations and download DFM models ready to be used from here. They're also portable modified version you can download from link in my description. To install TIS locally you need Python 3.9.0 only. CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8 FFmpeg Visual Studio Git for Windows. I have made a playlist for installing these dependencies, you can check it. Once everything installed on main page, click on Code option and copy Git code. Now go to drive or folder you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command window will open. Type git clone and paste git code to clone DeepFaceLive in this folder. Once clone, type cd space and go to main folder, copy its path and paste in command window and hit enter. Now create venv using Python 3.9. This will only work with Python 3.9.0. Now activate venv with the activation code. Now install PyTorch, but first check what CUDA version is installed. Go to main page of PyTorch and copy code for matching CUDA version. If you don't find matching version, just copy any code and paste in command window. Change version to yours and add Torch audio before installing. Once PyTorch installed, run requirements code to install requirements. Once requirements installed, remove numpy, then reinstall this other numpy version. Now run this main code. I will put it in my description. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now double-click this run file and use DeepFaceLive easily. Using this is very easy. First cell is for pictures and videos and second for webcam. You can only have one on at one time. I turned on cam option and choose cam from list. In face detector, choose your graphic card. In face marker, choose your graphic card. In next 3 cell, you can only turn on one at one time. First is for Avatarify. If you turn it on and choose picture, it will act like Avatarify. Click icon, a folder will open, put picture there you want to use. Click refresh and use that picture. If you want to use face swap option, first turn off Avatarify option. Turn on face swap option and choose picture in your graphic card. Click icon and put picture in that folder you want to use and click refresh. In frame adjuster, choose your graphic card. When you see display, choose which display you want to use and click window option in last cell. To video call, turn on OBS Studio. In Windows option, choose Windows Capture option. Choose DeepLive output. Adjust preview and turn on virtual cam. And that's it. DeepFaceLive is now fully installed and ready to use. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future AI tutorials, tools, and updates. If you run into any issues during installation, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.